So how different is a $20 cue to a $600 cue? We're about to find out. So today I bought a $20 cue. No, not for the purpose of this exercise. I actually bought the cue because I need a cue that I can break with. I wanted something fairly similar to what I'm using dimensions-wise, and something I can just give it a good bash and not worry about what happens to it. So that's why I bought this cue. Side by side, they look fairly similar. Completely different grain of wood and obviously different quality as well. Weight-wise, they're both 18 ounces. The tip-wise, you're looking at probably about an 8 to 8.5 mil tip on my main cue, and this one is probably 9 to 9.5 mil. So it is a lot bigger. And the other big difference you'll notice, in a cheaper cue, you'll see that the wood grain doesn't match up. On a more expensive cue, you'll see that the two pieces actually match. They're a perfect match. Whereas when you get a cheaper cue, there's a whole bunch of tops and a whole bunch of bottoms and they're just shoved together. So there you go. Lastly, not only are the tip widths different, I'm using a completely different tip on these two. This is my main cue where I use a blue diamond tip, which is quite a soft tip, a little bit spongy. That's the way I like it. Now, whereas the stock standard cue comes with a stock standard tip, this is extremely hard. So it's comparable to maybe like a pub pool cue. So it's going to have no give in it. Stay tuned to see the difference in performance.